welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set export, slippage and deadline to avoid MEV in Uniswap. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to mitigate maximal extractable value or MEV attacks on Uniswap, the primary strategy is regarding manual settings. It is to set a tight slippage tolerance and ideally utilize built-in MEV protection tools like private transaction pools rather than solely relying on the deadline. So the transaction deadline setting is less relevant than MEV or avoidance. So all you got to do is simply go and tap open your MEV. Once you're in your MEV as well, you need to go and tap open your Uniswap. So slippage tolerance is the maximum price difference you are willingly to accept between the quoted price and the execution price. So simply set low slippage and recommend values. So you can simply use the stable assets like 0.25% to 0.5% in typical way. So you can do this trade-off and be mindful about the transaction deadlines. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.